Good morning. It's time to open up this t-shirt from the Wednesday video. This is the Midnight Rainbow Scrunch. Okay. Alright, here we go. There's the Midnight Rainbow Scrunch. Nice colors in there. Okay, next one we have up is the Inverted V DNA. Alrighty. Looks like some good color in there. Alrighty, here we go. So there's the inverted V, and then the other thing I like is on the sides you get this, or you get a nice V shape on the side of your t-shirt, so that nice rainbow track just goes up and down around your t-shirt. Alright, let's get this washed.